If you're watching this, chances are you've dealt with the frustration and embarrassment that come with dental issues like bleeding gums, bad breath, cavities, and yellow teeth. These problems don't just affect your health, they impact your confidence, your social life, and even the way people perceive you. Let's talk about bad breath. It's one of the most uncomfortable things to deal with, especially when you're in close conversations or social situations. You've probably noticed people stepping back when you talk, or maybe you found yourself avoiding conversations altogether because you're self-conscious about how your breath smells. It's exhausting, constantly worrying if others can smell it, and it can be absolutely humiliating. What's worse is that typical solutions, mints, gum, mouthwash, only mask the issue temporarily. You end up trapped in this cycle of short-term fixes, but the real problem never goes away. Then there's bleeding gums. Imagine every time you brush your teeth, you see blood on your toothbrush or in the sink. It's alarming, and honestly, kind of gross. You might even find yourself avoiding brushing altogether because you don't want to deal with the discomfort or the sight of blood. But deep down, you know it's a sign that something isn't right. Your gums are weak, and it's only going to get worse if left untreated. Worse yet, those bleeding gums lead to gum recession, which makes your teeth look longer, weaker, and less attractive. It's like your smile is slowly deteriorating, and that's painful, not just physically, but emotionally. And speaking of your smile, let's not forget about yellow teeth. You can't hide them. Whether it's from coffee, smoking, or just the wear and tear of life, those yellow stains are noticeable, and you know that people are judging. Every time you laugh, or even speak, there's a part of you that wonders if people are staring at your teeth instead of listening to what you're saying. The insecurity eats away at you. You probably feel like you've tried everything: whitening strips, toothpaste, even expensive dental treatments, but nothing seems to work for long, and the stains always come back. And then, of course, there are cavities. That constant throbbing pain that sneaks up when you least expect it, while you're eating or drinking something cold, sweet, or even just chewing normally. You're tired of the never-ending trips to the dentist, the drilling, the fillings, and the bills. It feels like no matter how much you brush and floss, your teeth just keep deteriorating. The fear of needing more invasive treatments like root canals or extractions looms over you, and the cost alone is overwhelming. But what if I told you that you don't have to keep living like this? There's a soft mineral that could help rebuild your gums, stop the bleeding, fight bad breath, and even whiten your teeth. Imagine waking up in the morning with fresh breath, brushing your teeth without seeing blood, and being able to smile confidently without worrying about how yellow your teeth look. This mineral works at the source of the problem, helping your body naturally heal and protect your teeth and gums. No more covering up bad breath with gum, no more endless whitening products, no more painful trips to the dentist for cavities and gum disease. It's simple, affordable, and best of all, you can do it at home. If you're ready to stop the embarrassment and frustration for good, click the link in the description below. There's a short video that explains exactly how you can start using this soft mineral today and finally get the relief you deserve. Don't keep living in discomfort and shame. Click the link now and take the first step towards a healthier, more confident smile. You've been dealing with this for long enough. It's time to take control of your oral health and get your life back.